little better, that's a little better. I can live with that. All right, we're going to be letting you in pretty soon, but I'm going to need your help. So what we're going to do, we're going to count down from 10, all the way to 0 naturally. And at the end, you're going to make as much noise as possible. Got it? All right, I saw 5 people nod their heads, so I assume everybody got it. All right, here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Make some noise!
All right, folks, time for the fun to begin. See you in there. Bye. And here we are at the Studio Store, checking out the Halloween Horror Nights merchandise. Let's go see what they have. Yep. there's been a few items, so I'm gonna do some shopping real fast. Let's see what I'm gonna have added to my cart. Alright, for now, everyone, be safe, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.